guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, I'm Witchy. In this channel I mostly talk about Amazon, how to make money online, how to improve your income. So in today's video I'm gonna share with you guys some reason why most Amazon seller they're getting their account deactivated right now due to drop shipping and code of conduct. I also got my account deactivated, so I'm gonna share some idea and some tip and why the reason why your account is getting deactivated is not 100% because you're doing drop shipping. So make sure to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below if you have any question. I'll be more than happy to help you guys. So without further ado, let's get right into this. I told you guys my account was deactivated due to drop shipping and code of conduct. That's why some of you guys are asking me, oh, what's the best way to do drop shipping, what to do if I want to do drop shipping, how to start doing drop shipping. I advise you guys not to do drop shipping. There's a lot of reason why I tell you guys not to do drop shipping, because you can easily get your account deactivated even if it was something in the past, and Amazon suspended they can get your account deactivated. So doing drop shipping, but there is a best way to do drop shipping. I will upload a video for you guys telling you guys how to do drop shipping safely so your account doesn't get deactivated. So you have to follow it step by step so you don't break any Amazon rules, so you don't get in trouble, because my account is deactivated, so Amazon is holding all my funds. I'm not making any sale either from Amazon FBA or Amazon FBM. So it's been a month already and we've been dealing with that. So you can put a lot of on the line if you're doing drop shipping. There is a scam going on. A lot of people from Bangladesh, they are doing drop shipping on Amazon, and they are doing it the wrong way. So they're doing a lot of frauds, a lot of fraudulent activity on Amazon. So that's the reason Amazon is suspending most of people who used to do drop shipping or who are still doing drop shipping the wrong way. I drop ship some product, it's been a while back, so it's been like, I think maybe when I first started selling on Amazon, so it's been a long time. But Amazon gonna go back, and because they're doing some research, they trying to find out what's the source behind those people in Bangladesh who's doing those fraudulent activity. So if you do drop shipping in the past, this can also affect your account. A lot of people will go on Fiverr or Facebook Marketplace or whatever, they'll hire someone to do virtual assistant for them. Like, and when they hire those people to do virtual assistant for them, they'll do like fraudulent activity on their account. They'll tell Amazon they ship the order to the customer while they never this product never reached the customer, or they will put a wrong tracking number telling Amazon those products were shipped while those products never shipped. So they'll do a lot of fraudulent activity account. They'll create their own account, or they will work for somebody. So that's the main reason why everybody, if you get hit by this Amazon deactivation policy due to drop shipping and code of conduct, it's such a pain in the ass. So I'm still dealing with them. Recently spoke to some Amazon lawyer because I'm trying to get my account back. There's so many reasons why I don't want to deal with a new account, or why I don't want to sell on a new account. First of all, Amazon doesn't want you to create another account. If they find out you was deactivated for some reason, then you create another account, you're gonna get deactivated. Even if your account was active, Amazon doesn't want you to create a second account unless they allow you to create the account. You have to ask them permission to create the account, and you have to give them reason. What's the reason why you wanna have two accounts? Is it because you're having too much order on this account, or you're having somebody working on this account? But you have to give them a right reason to do it. If not, they're gonna deactivate both accounts because it's against their policy. The main reason I'm trying to get my account back is because my account is an H account. If you start selling on Amazon, Amazon consider you as a new seller. There is a lot of things you cannot sell on Amazon. You're gonna ask for permission for most of the product, and Amazon not gonna believe you. They're not gonna believe like you're professional enough. Even like, let's say I sell food on my account, Amazon not gonna let you sell food on your account. There is some books you're gonna have to request permission, or Amazon not even gonna give you permission to sell those products. Amazon consider my account as an H account, so I can sell almost everything on Amazon without asking for permission or an invoice. That's my main reason to get my H account back. At the end of the day, what I was planning on to do is selling as much as I can on Amazon and open my own Shopify store and sell my H account. So which happened earlier than expected. That's not what I wanted because I still have so much inventory on Amazon. So that's my main reason right now, because Amazon gonna have to ship those products back to me until they get the account. If the account is not gonna get activated, pretty sure it's not gonna get activated before they send those products to me, because while they're still doing their research, they're still doing their investigation regarding those fraudulent activity that's going on with Amazon, with those people in Bangladesh. I don't know why they're doing that. Like India, you know, like people from Bangladesh, you know, like there's a lot of fraud going on those, like in those areas. I'm not saying those people are not good people, but there's a lot of bad people that's like they scam people. They do fraudulent activity. When they do that, they put you at risk and they put other people at risk. So that's the main reason why I'm telling you guys not to do dropshipping. But if you want to do dropshipping, I'll upload a video for you guys this week telling you guys step by step how to do dropshipping the right way, so you don't get suspended, because you don't want to get suspended for dropshipping. It's a pain in the ass. I'm telling you, it's a pain in the ass. I'm dealing with it. I'm losing so much money, especially at school, and it was like Christmas. My account got deactivated, I believe December 21st, 2022. So you guys can imagine how long I'm spending now without making any sale. So please, if you're doing dropshipping on your account, you know you're not doing it the right way, so you don't get deactivated. And there's a lot of things you need to avoid right now not to get your account deactivated, because Amazon is not playing, especially if you're under a professional account. A professional account is the account you're paying like $39 a month for it, or the individual account is like they charge you 99 cents on each product you sell. So Amazon is more forgettable on those people than a professional account. But if you want to make money, if you want to make more money on Amazon, you have to switch your account to professional account. That's the main thing. Please guys, stop doing dropshipping if you don't know how to do it the right way, because I'm telling you guys, my account was hit for something it happened a long time ago. They see the reason. They see it was a long time ago, but they said they have to conduct their investigation before they can even do anything. It's not me. There's a lot of people who are getting their account deactivated. So if your account is deactivated due to Amazon code of conduct or dropshipping, I know you might be searching how to do like a good app here so Amazon can get your account activated. It's not gonna happen anytime soon, because they're doing their investigation. Until their investigation is complete, they're not gonna do nothing at all. Lawyer told me like they will let me know it's the right time to submit another appeal, and they will tell me what's the next. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below if you have any question. I'll be more than happy to help you guys.